Hello everyone, my name's Hanan Issa and I'm the National Poet of Wales. Well, I'm sat here in my old library, the place that I used to come to escape, and I think that it's so important to have these spaces. They're free spaces, you don't have to buy anything, and yet you can come here and you can explore worlds and experiences that you might never get to in your day-to-day real life. It's really important that children read for pleasure, because not only does it teach you new things, give you new experiences, but it helps feed your imagination. So this is my book, And I Hear Dragons, published by Firefly Press, and it's going to be part of the Summer Reading Challenge. From the coast to woods, fields to the peaks, our country calls out for croesawgar, and I hear dragons roaring their response across the land. This year's Summer Reading Challenge is all about embracing creativity and art of all kinds. After you've read And I Hear Dragons, why not try this activity to ignite your creative spark? All you need is an egg carton and some craft from around your home. And here's the one I've made. His name is David. You can find all the instructions you need to make your own dragon on the Books Council of Wales website.